wanted to do something a bit different and interesting in this reserve, a bit of a feature. One of the officers and my co-worker and I come up with the idea of a succulent and cactus garden, something that was very water-wise as well, low maintenance, looks great. We arrived the day after just completing this new project, and to notice that a couple of our better cactus have been stolen. A little bit disappointing, but it happens. A few days later, came back again, noticed a few more things had been stolen. Then about a week later, some of our bigger items had been stolen and a lot of things had been vandalised, and that was really disappointing.
That was very disappointing. Our next project at the bottom end of Beach Road, Christies Beach, was designed and built by one of our talented horticulturists and his team. The design represents the lower end of the Christies Creek as it meets the coast at O'Sullivan Beach. The roundabout shows sandstone cliffs in front and a beach leading down to the coast. Either way along the Esplanade, north and south, represents the coastal dune system. Our guys should be incredibly proud of the work they've done down there, and for me it's a piece of public art and I love it.